Nandito ako ngayon sa train station. Um, Reduced yung trips na naman. Madalas ganito, especially pag uh, towards last quarter of the year. Ang ko ba kung bakit. Laging nasa maintenance yung mga trains. Yan. So, pahirapan kapag ganito kasi either kailangan mong magantay ng matagal o kaya naman kailangan mong magbus, which is hindi ko gustong magbus kasi ang tagal sa bus. Tapos yung biyahe, yun yung pinakamatagal eh. Mas gugustuhin kung magantay na lang ng train kesa sa magtagal ako sa biyahe sa bus. Yan. So, yan, nandito ako ngayon sa train station. Update ko kayo mamaya tungkol sa bagong work ko. I think this is on our way to our community's Christmas party. It was held at one of the beautiful beaches here in Auckland. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo, it's like puro paintings ang mga halaman, yung mga puno, puro green yung madadaanan mo. Everywhere here in New Zealand. Maski dito sa syudad na nasa Auckland ka, ganito nakaganda. What more kung nasa ibang part ka pa ng New Zealand where mas province style compared dito sa Auckland. Kasi ang Auckland is city na siya sa New Zealand. Yan, so masaya to kasi maraming activities sa Couples for Christ and excited kami kasi it's almost a full day event for us and every year we have it at Couples for Christ. Ito yung isa sa game sa Christmas party and kung makikita nyo, ang laki ng naitulong ko kasi ayan, nagbi-video lang ako, wala akong naitulong sa mga kagrupo namin. And yes, this is December 23, 2025. So we headed to Rotorua as a family. It's 7 hours almost back and forth. Pero nagsalitan kaming magmaneho ni husband and instead of staying overnight as usual sa mga nagpupunta sa Rotorua since it's long drive, hindi kami nag-overnight. So instead, nagbalikan lang kami. Maaga kaming bumiyahe from Auckland and in the late afternoon, I think 2:30, bumalik na kami pabiyaheng pabalik ng Auckland. This Christmas, ibang-iba yung celebration namin as a family. Hindi pala kailangan ng maraming ingay para maramdaman yung saya events sa gitna ng pinaka-busy na Christmas holidays and New Year's. We have enjoyed our Christmas and New Year as a family. It's so different kasi halos araw-araw may pinupuntahan kami, gatherings, lakad, visits. Hindi tulad ng mga previous years na madalas nasa bahay lang or we went to few places kapag holidays sa UAE. And this time, even if nasa New Zealand kami, this was our third Christmas. It's the very first time na gala-gala talaga kami. Sa gitna ng mga lakad, we went for family bondings, kwentuhan, tawanan, at I think tumibay lalo yung family bonding namin. Walang kailangang patunayan, just presence of each other, just being there for each other. Dito rin namin na-realize bilang family na gusto namin gawin ito every year. Ang mag-travel all together, it doesn't have to be for far places, it doesn't have to be expensive. Di kailangang magarbo. Kahit simpleng lakad lang, basta may kwentong mababalikan, especially when the kids would grow up. They would remember things and memories that we did together as a family na may share din nila sa mga children nila, of course, when they have their own families. So dito, nag-avail kami ng family package sa Skyline, and it's so fun kasi first time kong gawin itong mga rides na to. Sa akin, extreme na to, although mas extreme syempre yung sa Abu Dhabi, yun sa Ferrari World, kasi lahat ng rides doon talagang mabilis and extreme. Pero kasi doon hindi ko talaga na-try kasi takot ako. So, eto na yun, few of the clips that we did during our trip to Rotorua. Doon ko na-appreciate yung simple life. Actually, lahat kami. It's very quiet, peaceful, life grounded in family. Gratitude lingered, not because of what we had, but because of who we were with. And in the quietness of Christmas, nanatili yung gratefulness namin. Yun yung promise that we will hold on until forever. Our family wish is very simple, and that is to continue living a happy, peaceful life here in New Zealand. A life na hindi minamadali, kung saan may oras para sa isa't isa, para sa tawanan, and even para sa katahimikan. We wish for days filled with simple joys, shared meals, short and small travels, and moments that don't need to be posted sometimes or explained on social media. Isang life and home that is filled with respect, love, and gratitude. We wish na sana habang lumalaki yung mga bata, dala nila ang memories and alaala ng isang simple life pero masaya mula pagkabata, kung saan yung family nila pwede nilang uwian anytime. A life grounded in gratitude, contentment, and togetherness.
Yeah, there you go. Beside me.
I won.
Yay! Mom, we're beside.
So we have avail yung family package sa Skyline. Meron na siyang kasamang gondola, lodge rides, and I think 3 beses kaming bumabalik. Yun yung combo package na kinuha namin. It's so much fun kasi hindi lang yung mga bata yung nag-enjoy, pati kami actually ni Butch. Sobrang enjoy. And meron yung cart, it's gravity fueled. So yun, meron siyang full rider control, unique braking system and steering system. You will pull back the handlebars to slow or to stop, and then to release pag gusto mong mag-accelerate. Yan. Tapos yun yung sasakyan na gondola papunta or pabalik dun sa mismong trail. Look how stunning. Para siyang painting lang na live na tinitignan mo kapag andun ka. And it's very peaceful. It's very quiet, syempre. Tapos fresh air, malamig. And tamang-tama lang yung pagpunta namin kasi hindi pa gaanong madaming tao. Kasi pa-start pa lang ng holiday season, and at the same time, hindi pa ganun kainit. Kasi during December, January, February, summer dito sa New Zealand. So, kabaligtaran sa ibang bansa kasi like sa Canada, US, sa ibang bansa, kapag ganitong panahon, like sa Japan, Korea, I think, lahat ng mga yan malalamig, nag-i-snow. Pero dito sa New Zealand, kabaligtaran kasi ito yung summer holidays. season. So, ito naman is, nagpunta rin kami sa isang falls. Ang pangalan it's Kare Kare Falls. Yan, para siyang ulam, di ba? So, kasama namin yung friends. Office mates sila ni husband during Abu Dhabi days. Yan. Yung tubig dyan sa falls, ang lamig, sobra. Para siyang yellow sa lamig. Pero syempre, yung mga bata, gusto pa rin nilang mag-enjoy. Kaya yan, kung makikita nyo sila, kahit kano kalamig yung tubig, naglalaro pa rin sila. And yes, buti na lang nagbaon kami ng damit kasi nga, hindi pwedeng hindi ka mabasa. Lalo na yung mga bata. Syempre, pag naglaro yung mga yan sa tubig, hindi naman may iwasan na mabasa talaga sila. Yan. So, meron namang bathroom dito sa may falls. So, kung saan pwedeng magpalit ng damit. Yan. And close to this falls, even in other areas dito sa New Zealand, kasi anywhere dito, allowed talaga yung camping. Pero syempre, may mga sites lang na allowed ka to camp. Yan. So, dito sa mismong harapan ng falls, hindi yan allowed mag-camping. Pero, nag-ano lang kami dyan, nag-picnic lang kami dyan, nag-set up lang kami for food at umupo lang kami. And nung time na bumisita kami, actually, solo namin talaga, literal yung falls. Siguro after an hour or more, saka lang may mga ibang taong dumating, pero hindi pa rin naman marami. I think mga 3 to 4 couples and families with families lang yung dumating, and umaalis din naman sila after few minutes, unlike us that we stayed maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours or less yung in-stayed namin dyan. And then after dyan, nagpunta kami sa isang coffee shop closer to that area. Nakalimutan ko na yung place, pero it's very beautiful din. Overlooking beautiful scenery. Meron ding coffee shop, I mean, and doon kami nagstay habang nagkukwentuhan, and yung mga bata naglalaro din doon, and then may coffee machine doon. I think the coffee and other drinks is inclusive na rin. Ang babayaran mo lang is around $2.
Magsimba kayo, may video. May video kami.
And lastly, ayan, nag-start kaming mag-badminton as a family. So, we have registered for membership para meron kaming family bonding every week.